Hey Artland, how's it going? So I've gotten a lot of good feedback from our Minecraft Godzilla characters, so I thought I would show you guys how to draw another one. Now this time I want to show you guys how to draw Minecraft Rodan. So to start off with this, we're going to begin with the face, and I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to make a little rectangle shape, just like this. Then, starting here, I'm just going to draw two little diagonal lines, and we'll put one more right there for 3. And then I'm just going to connect these, and then we'll connect these right here. Then right here, I'm going to put a diagonal line, and then another one right there. And then I'm just going to connect it there. Then I'm going to put 2 more diagonal lines here and then one right there. And then I'm just going to connect all 3. Now, starting right here, I'm just going to draw a line that goes up. It's going to go over. Then I'm just going to go down like this. And then over right to here. Kind of like a little square that's kind of hidden by the mouth. Then I'm going to make a little diagonal line here. And then a very small one right there. And then another one right there. Then you just want to connect these. Now, right up here, I'm going to draw a very skinny rectangle, and then I'm going to draw another very skinny rectangle right here. And these are going to kind of be his little horns. So then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to start right here, and I'm just going to draw a line that goes back like this, and then another one that goes back like that. And then I'm just going to bring these down, kind of like a little triangular shape. Then I'm just going to draw a line right across like this. Then right here, I'm going to add a little rectangle and then another little rectangle shape right there for some of the details on the side of them. Now, starting right here, I want to add the neck, so I'm just going to draw a line that goes over. It's going to go down, and it's going to kind of come back like this. Then I'm going to make one that goes right to here. And I'll draw a little line right there. Now, starting over here, I'm just going to make kind of like a square shape. Going to go up, over, down, and then over like this. Then I'm going to just draw a little line that kind of curves like that, or goes straight across, I should say. Then I'm going to make another one that just kind of goes over like this. Then right here, I'm going to draw 2 diagonal lines like this. A little line that goes across, and another little one that goes across. And then 2 little diagonal lines up that connect. Then right here, I'm going to make a little line that goes down. And then a little line that goes over. One that goes up and then over like this. Now starting here, I'm going to make a line that goes down, over. I'm going to get really close to here and then just connect. Then 2 little diagonal lines, connect them. And then a little line that just kind of goes over and then down. That will go over a little bit farther. Then over here, I'm going to put another leg. So I'm going to draw a little line that goes down, over, and then up. Little line that goes over, one that goes down and over. And then a little line that goes like this, and then one that goes up. Then right here, I'm going to add like 3 little rectangles on each one. And then just a little line that kind of curves back for some little claws. Then right here, I'm just going to draw a little line that goes down. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes over, down, and then over again. And then I'm just going to repeat this kind of a few times, and then just kind of bring it to a point for his tail. Now, starting up here for his wings, you just want to draw a nice diagonal line. One that kind of goes up at a little bit of a diagonal, and then bring it down like this. Then right here, I'm going to draw another diagonal line, and then another one right here. And then a little diagonal line like this. Then I'm just going to put a little square shape at the end. Then right here, I'm going to make a little line that goes out, over, and then comes back real skinny. And then I'm just going to connect it right here. And then I'm just going to have it go up and then down, kind of like a triangle shape. Then right here, I'm going to make another kind of little triangle shape. This time the line's going to kind of curve to here, and then it's just going to kind of curve up to here. Then right here, I'm going to make a little line that goes up. It's going to go down and then come back. A little one that goes over and then down like this. Then right here, I'm going to make a little line that goes down, over, and then it's going to come back. Then right here, I'm going to add a little kind of pointy, kind of triangle shaped line. And then I'm just going to kind of connect it with a curve. I'm going to make one more that kind of curves up and then comes back. Then right here, I'm just going to add one more kind of little triangle shape, a little bit of a curve, and then I'm just going to connect it here and then connect it right there. So now we have kind of like our basic shape of our Minecraft Rodan. And then one of the last things we want to do is just kind of add the eyes. So to do this, I'm just going to draw a line that goes kind of up and over to here, up at a diagonal and then over. I'm just going to bring it here, and we'll add just a little bit over here. Draw a line that goes down, and I'll put another one right here, and then I'll just kind of color this part in for the pupil. Then right here, I'm going to color most of this in, just like a little bit white. And there you go, there is your drawing of a Minecraft Rodan. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.